So finally, we have our first look related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we have also confirmation related to the specification of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first up, we have some bad news for Samsung user. Samsung decided to use the same battery in the S25 Ultra, which he used in the S24 Ultra, and the S25 Ultra come with a slightly taller and wider. It's also going to be a little bit thinner, and according to the ICE universe, S25 Ultra come with the illustration and information and tells us that the S25 Ultra lenses are only going to protrude 2.4 millimeter from the rear housing, and this is nearly half the amount of the new iPhone. And if we talking about the camera, the S25 Ultra have a 200 megapixel main sensor, and if we talking about the ultra wide camera, S25 Ultra come with a 50 megapixel main sensor. Now we have some news related to the benchmark. The S25 Ultra come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and the Geekbench of the S25 Ultra come under the model number SM-S938B, and it shows the performance cores are running at 4.47 gigahertz. And if we talking benchmark score, the S25 Ultra have a 3011 single core score and 9706 on a multiple core score. And now we have a hands-on video that show you how Galaxy S25 Ultra. Look, the dimension of the phone is 62.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeter. And if we talking about the weight of the S25 Ultra is 232 gram, which is lighter than the S24 Ultra. And we have a 6.86 flat display on the S25 Ultra. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.